A lot of students ask this question. We constantly see it in YouTube comments, DMs. Will AI replace ACCA? And it's quite a fair question to ask, because anywhere you look around, AI is writing reports, analyzing data, even assisting in audits. So instead of answering that generically today, let me tell you a story. Rohan wanted a career that was global, respected, and future-proof. And that's why he chose ACCA. He imagined himself working in financial reporting, business strategy, and global finance roles. Day 1, everything felt exciting. But day 15, something changed. The reports he thought that he would prepare were already automated. Dashboards were getting updated by themselves. Data was already structured. And even basic analysis that he thought he's doing, AI actually was doing it faster than him. And that's when the thought hit him. Then if AI can do everything, what is my role? But let's be honest. This is not just Rohan's fear. I think this is something that a lot of commerce students are thinking today. So let's do a reality check, guys. If your role is limited to data entry, bookkeeping, repetitive compliances, let me assure you that AI is surely replacing that. Here's what most people get wrong. A lot of people believe that accounting is about just data entry and reporting, but not anymore. That was the old world accountant. The accountant of the 21st century is a lot more strategic. Accounting is a part of the finance function, which really requires one to understand businesses deeply, make decisions, and take responsibility. Now just imagine a company is making losses. AI has generated the reports, the data is ready, so AI has done its job. But then who's really sitting on that data and analyzing that data? What to do next? Who's taking responsibility? Who's carving out the next strategy? And that's when you know that your role is not just of a number cruncher. Your role is really that of a strategist, an analyst, an advisor to the business. So AI is not replacing you. AI is actually replacing all the low-value, repetitive work so that you can make room and mind space for something that is more high-value. And that's exactly what the ACCA in the 21st century is preparing you for. So you know how things changed for Rohan? It's his ACCA qualification, which had taught him how to think like a strategist and how to join the dots between finance and business. He started to look at the entire ecosystem from a high-value strategic lens, while AI was saving a lot of his time and effort by giving him ready-made everything that was needed to drive the decisions. So the ACCA qualification today includes new age topics like data analytics, sustainability, technology in finance, digital transformations, and ethics in an AI-driven world. So it's not reacting to change, it's actually preparing you for that change. So to conclude, guys, AI will definitely replace traditional accounting and finance teams that don't keep up with the change. But will AI replace ACCAs? I don't think so, because I think it's the ACCA qualification that's preparing you for the change.